Hey everybody, welcome back to another segment of Preferred Pros. This month we are with Janine from J&S Midwest Interiors. Janine and I just got done cleaning my kitchen floor, as a matter of fact, and I was learning how it smells so good in my house every time they scrub the floor, and she told me the secrets, but they're top secret, so can't share them on this video. But anyway, Janine, thank you for being with us today. Share with the audience a little bit about J&S Interiors, Midwest Interiors, and exactly the services and products that you offer.
Well, thank you for having me. J&S Midwest Interiors is a new company. We do have about 20 years experience behind us. What we do is we come in and we clean your home from top to bottom. And it is a customized clean, so we do like to meet with our customers to see what they like. We also offer home organization. We offer light interior and home staging. So we do offer other interior, anything to make your house feel more like a home.
And I've said it before with this Preferred Pros segment, we only choose to feature professionals that somebody on Simon Loans has worked with personally, and I can vouch for Janine and her cleaning ability, and man oh man is their work flawless, and they're very affordable for cleaning services. Trustworthy. I know there's a lot of cleaning companies out there that maybe you don't want them in your home. That is not the case in the slightest with Janine and her business partner, and again, their work is top notch. Real estate related, the pre-listing cleans. If you just bought a house, getting it cleaned before you move in, how cool would it be to only worry about the boxes and not spending 8 hours the first day you own your home getting it spick and span ready for you to move in. So again, thank you for being here, Janine, very much. Keep up the great work with our house, and all of you out there, please use J&S Midwest Interiors for your cleaning needs.